But so I run it looking at a gravestone. Looking for a water main gate and walk into a gravestone. That's how I run it. Hi, good morning guys. This is Mike again from Harris Water Main Sewer Contractors. We're doing the water main on 6 Palm Court. A beautiful neighbor, a little community settled between East New York and Flatbush. We're here today getting ready to put in the water. Unfortunately, the water main is leaking between the basement wall and outside. So we're setting up and getting ready to put this water main in. As you can see, my guys are setting up. We're getting everything set up for charging for making everything safe. And we're gonna begin to start in a little while. That's what you call a top locator. It locates where the pipe runs.
The whole day, probably. Huh? There's a valve inside the ground. The main valve is called a tap. So we're going to close the tap, close the water, disconnect that old pipe. We're going to install a new pipe from there straight inside the building. You have to make a hole through the wall so the pipe can enter. So we can get to connect the pipe inside and connect to the meter. That's why we're digging down so deep. If you put it less than 3 feet, when it's very cold, the pipe will freeze. You don't have no water, right?
I'm 49 years old. Been on this line of work about 32 years now. I'm counting. The body ain't the same no more, but I'm pushing. This job is different than other jobs. It's not a 9-to-5 job. I get to meet different people every day, different personalities. You understand me? I deal with different attitudes, different everything. You understand? I take the good with the bad. I get to see the whole of the city. Every day, a different location, primarily. Sometimes 2 days you go back to the same job. But mostly, every day, different location. I get to see the city and I get to see it for free.
Back in the days, they had galvanized first. And then they changed it to lead. They changed from lead to copper. A couple of years, they say lead not good. But maybe a couple of years from now, this is just a joke still. Maybe a couple of years from now, you're going to hear they say, oh, copper no good.
What's your name?
Intikab Azam Khan.
Why you choose to live in the Bronx?
Cause that's the first place I came. And we already had a house over there, so I didn't have to move.
You mean your family, your father?
Yep, my father already had a house, so I didn't really have to move. I like the Bronx, but if I have to move from the Bronx, the only place I'll go to is Virginia. Well, I went there on vacation for like 2 months. I didn't want to leave.
With your girlfriend?
No, myself. Yep. If I went with my girlfriend, I wouldn't have had so much fun.
No. People don't say it's funny. Funny stuff. Funny stuff automatically happens. You understand me? You be in the hole digging, and somebody can come and walk a dog, and the dog will come right by the hole and take. He said that he wanna urinate. He wanna take a leak. You understand me? And you bending down. That's funny right there.
The most challenging for me is when we gotta break the street with the jackhammer, because I don't like this right here. That's what the jackhammer do to you, even with gloves.
Even with gloves?
Yep.
Well, sometimes you'll see, a customer come and give the guys a hefty tip and say, wow, I appreciate it.
I would say I would want it to be like a flash.
Like flash?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice. What would you do? What would you do with it? What would you do?
I get the job done in a hurry. Yep.
But when you go to the guy, like he got the Mercedes and the 2 Bentleys in his driveway. Yeah, I'm you thinking that, you know what I'm saying? No, you know who it is? It's the mama pops out here, so that barely making it. You understand me? And then she would come out, or he would come out and he would say, hey guys, buy lunch. That's the part I was shocked at. This job isn't shocking, but you know what was interesting about it, what I like about it? Everybody can do it. You understand me? We as people, we wake up every day, right? And we take certain things for granted, like for instance, water. Some people be going to the bathroom and we leave the faucet on. We open the hydrant and leave it on. The faucet in the bathroom be leaking, we leave it on. But as soon as you lose that water, right? Then it really hits home. You understand? The simple fact is, hey, your kids can't use the bathroom. Your wife can't use the bathroom. And the simple fact I could dig 3, 4, 5 feet and find a water main. Come closer, let me show you something. You see this right here? You take it? As we was digging, right? I found this. There's a lead water main, right? Surprisingly speaking, a lot of people in New York City have lead water mains in their house, and they don't know. You understand me? And everybody can't do this. I'm 49 years old, I can handle it. You got guys coming 18, 19 years old who can't do this. You understand me? It's not a physical thing, it's a mental thing, it's a mindset. You can do it in the summer, you can do it in the winter, you can do it in the fall, you can do it in the rain, you can do it in the snow. And surprisingly, I'm doing it. You understand me? Every day. You understand? You know what? I love it.
You got a new bar, right?
I'd rather do this than sitting on the office and answer phones.
Why did you get the bar?
Most guys in here, you don't ain't here for 6 months. You got guys here for 20 years. You got guys in here for 25 years, 30 years. You understand me? It's not a big family, but it's a family.
How we doing?
We're doing good.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Johnson, how we doing? Intica, how we doing? Doing well, thanks.
We find it, no lead right here. So we follow the lead, so they will find the top,
Okay. You're on the tap now?
No, not yet. I'm following the lead.
You gotta move over a little bit. So this is a completely different setup for you guys,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
Must be nice to go to a job and not have to break any roadway, right?
that's it.
2 grass holes.
Every day you bust your ass breaking.
Yeah.
Today we don't have to break nothing like that.
So this customer received a 3-day notice. It was bound to happen. It's a really old lead line.
Lead line.
Family lives here too?
Yeah, I think most of these houses carry lead lines too.
Yeah.
You understand me?
All right, so the good thing is they're getting the lead out of their house.
Yeah.
They're gonna have a nice new copper water main, especially with kids around. This is very, very hard digging. Right, Intica? On solid mud like this. All right, I'm gonna say my goodbyes, all right? All right, Mike, hold back your tears, all right? I know you hate to see me leave. All right? Right, Intica?
Yeah.
It's gonna be sad all day now that I'm not here.
that go in there and turn it on and turn it up. That's it.
Sometimes you get ice cream, sometimes you get cake. Today's ice cream. You understand me? So just a typical day. Friends, family, and viewers, like, share, and follow. You understand me? It's a journey. For those of you who are just following, this is Mike Kane. This is the boss. He will come around and check every job and make sure that we got all the safety precaution, and make sure we got everything we need for the job at hand. And then he step off and go to another crew. And that's how the day goes every day, Like I said before, it's not a big family, but you know what I'm saying? It's a family.
Trying to take my job from here? I don't even need this anymore. I don't even have to come out to job sites anymore. This is